Hi sis, welcome to Fab Chic Modest. My name is Doris. I am so excited to see you today. How are you doing? So on Fab Chic Modest, we talk everything fashion, how to be fab, chic, and look modest on a budget at the same time. Thank you so much for tuning in. And for today's video, I am doing a Walmart haul. So yes, Walmart, who could have thought? So I did a Walmart haul, I think a few months ago, but then was it a few weeks ago I went to Walmart, and so I picked up a few items I really enjoyed, and I am going to try it on for you and talk about the price points, the quality, and also how to style it, because you may have those items as well in your wardrobe. So I hope you stay tuned and make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. So let's get started. By the way, I hope you like the new set here. It's not even done. This is in my new studio slash closet. So I am so excited, and it's a work in progress. I'm still working on it, decorating it and adding new pieces, and I just love this painting that I found at Ross. And I mean, this is me right here. I mean, come on. I just snatched it so fast. I think it's fabulous, it's chic. And so yeah, I'll start showing you what I got at Walmart. So at Walmart, the first shirt I saw, I just love this green, plaid looking pattern, and I actually saw it 2 months ago, and I was like, you know what, the original price was $13.88. I just knew I wanted to wait for the sales on this one, so I waited, and now it is $9, and it's decent, because I'm frugal. I love a mix of a dark green and the black, and those shirts, you can dress them up or dress them down. I love wearing those shirts to run errands in town, to go places with a family, with my kids. They're just simple, yet you still look chic. And you can wear them with anything, with some jeans, with a skirt, with anything. And I just love it. And of course, I love the sleeves. I love the cuffed sleeves over here. I think it looks chic. And the V-neck. And it's lightweight, so I love it so much. So even in the fall weather, whenever it's a bit cooler, you can still wear this type of shirt, as long as you wear like a turtleneck underneath it to keep you warm, and a coat over it. So I just love this so much. And of course, because I love it, what do you think? I got the blue version of it. Oh yes, I love this blue as well. And so the way I wear it, usually with a skirt, just something simple, and wearing some tennis shoes, a pair of boots, even some heels. It's up to you. You can wear a sweater over it, and it's just perfect for the summer. You can wear them when it's a bit cooler right now, and yeah, those are perfect. So 2 versions of it. I am so glad. So $9 each, and yes, that was a great steal. So now I got 2 pairs of pants, crop pants, and I was like, oh my gosh, I am so glad I found them at Walmart. Look at this. So I love this pair of pants because this is so trendy right now. I mean, I don't love it because it's trendy, but I just love this, this style. And I love the unfinished hems here, the fray going on, and this color. Sis, if you have a Walmart nearby, I'm telling you, don't sleep on it. Don't just go to Walmart to get groceries, because there's more than that. This one was not on sale. It was for $17.88. $17.88. And it's such, I mean, the color, when I saw that off-white beige aircrew color, I just knew I had to grab it, because if I wanted to wait for the sales, my size could go out of stock. Sometimes I just don't wait for the sales. I'm not that cheap neither. You don't want to wait and then great, we only have size small, or you have missed out. Look at this. It's so good. I mean, the color, the materials. I love the back pockets, and I love that it's stretchy, and it's just so awesome. And that's actually the Walmart brand. It's the Time and Through, and I got the size 14, which fits me good because I like it a little bit loose, not too fitted that you cannot even sit down, or you're not comfortable eating and whatnot. So it's just perfect, because I picture myself wearing that with some, right now since it's colder, you can wear some tennis shoes with it, you can wear some combat boots, some tall boots, sis, the possibilities are endless. Or you can make a complete monochromatic look with that beige, with your coats over it. Oh my gosh. I'll be right back. Look at this color, for example. You can dress them up with some heels. Yes. Yes. Those Zara pumps I got last year. I just love them so much. I love that pattern finish, you know, the shine and the gloss to it. Look at that. Come on now. And you know those pants will let your ankles and a little bit of your legs show if you are a bit taller. I am 5'7" for reference. So I just love how you can definitely wear it in a feminine way. You know, wear a blazer, a sweater over it. Sis, you'll see how I style it. And or you can go with some cute boots. Oh my gosh, I just love this monochromatic look here. I love the same tone. I think it looks chic and elegant and crisp at the same time. So I am so glad I purchased it. I saw it even, and I love the buttons here. You know, I love that style and that look, and it's not too tight. You can still wear it modestly, which I love. So of course they had the blue color, like 2 different types of blue denims there, but they didn't have my size, unfortunately. And so I actually ordered one from Zara. I'll see if I like it. If I don't, I'll return it. But this is like the same style from Zara that I ordered, and on Zara it was on sale right now for $25.99, and this one is $19 at Walmart, and honestly the quality is just perfect. I love it. And so of course I got the black color. I was like, yes. I love how this one looks a little bit rugged, you know, like with some combat boots. Imagine some Doc Martens, you know. So you'll see in the try-on, you'll see my vision. So I love it so much. It's exactly the same one, the same version. And of course I love the fray here at the bottom, and I just love that faded denim look. I think it's just perfect. So yes, I got 2 of them, and I'll wear definitely this one with my Doc Martens, or you can wear some boots with it as well. You can wear some tennis shoes, anything with a blazer even, you know, to like dress it up a little bit. It's perfect. I love it on the weekend, or it depends on if you have a laid back office environment, you know, Friday, casual Friday, or to go out, you know, in town. I just love this. I'm not big in pants if you've watched this channel before, so for me to find things like this that will excite me, like pants and cropped pants and style like this, I think that it's just so good, and I'm so glad I got them. So okay sis, thank you so much for watching. I know it was short and sweet, but I have another haul coming up. I don't know which I'm going to post first if you're watching it for the first time, but I hope that you have, you know, gleaned some style inspo out of this video, and there's much more fab fashion content to come soon. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your sis, your gals, your aunties, your moms. Let's grow this channel, sis. So I am so thankful for you, and as always, stay blessed. Bye.